Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and clone a Bitbucket repository to VSCode. First, navigate to the website, then log in. After you have logged in, click on repository and then create a new repository. Select the project that you wish to upload to and then give your repository a name. After that, leave everything default and click create repository. Click on the clone button to copy the link to the repository. Close that out and open VSCode. Click on the clone repository button in VSCode. Paste in the link that we copied from Bitbucket. Choose a location to save your repository on your computer. Type in your password. Open up the project. And that's it. You just cloned your first repository. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.